Hello everyone, and welcome to a new episode of Fun with English, Grade 1, Book 1A. I am Sakina Kankouni. Today I'll present episode 3 from Unit 3, My Family. We will focus on numbers and grammar. Let's start with numbers. All right, boys and girls, look at the pictures. We can see balls. Let's see how many balls are there. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6. 6. Say it with me. 6. 6. One more time. 6. Great job, boys and girls. We can see 6 balls. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There are 6 balls. Great job, boys and girls. Let's learn how to write number 6. Remember, we have 4 lines. Bring your pencils and notebooks and try to write number 6. We start with line number 1 and draw a curved line till line number 3 and make a circle back to line number 2. Again, we start from line number 1 with a curved line till line number 3 and complete a circle on line number 2. Excellent job, boys and girls. Let's write together. Again, start from line number 1, draw a curved line to line number 3 and complete a circle on line number 2. Well done! Great job, boys and girls. Can you do it yourself? Excellent job. Now let's move on to the next number. Let's count the balls. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. There are 7 balls. Repeat after me. 7. 7. 7. Excellent job, boys and girls. How many balls are there? There are 7 balls. I can see 7 balls. Great job, boys and girls. Can you say it again? 7. 7. Now let's learn how to write number 7. Remember, we have 4 lines to write on in our notebooks. We'll start writing number 7 by drawing a line on line number 1 and another line from line number 1 till line number 3. Look at the picture and follow the directions to write in your notebooks using your pencils. Alright, we'll start by drawing a line on line number 1 and we take our pencils down by drawing a line till line number 3. Great job, boys and girls. I'm sure you can do it. It's an easy one. Well done. Now let's move on to our next number. Let's look at the balls and count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8. Repeat after me. 8. 8. One more time. 8. 8. Great job. We have 8 balls. Again, how many balls are there? That's right. There are 8 balls. Well done, boys and girls. Now let's learn how to write number 8. We have 4 lines. We will follow the direction as you can see in the picture. We'll start writing from line number 1. We'll draw half a circle, then take it down from line number 2 and draw another half a circle from line number 3 and take it back to line number 2 and complete the circle and complete the other circle from line number 2 to line number 1. Again, look at the picture and follow the pencil. Take your notebooks and your pencils and start writing. Draw a half a circle from line number 1 to line number 2 and another half a circle from line number 2 to line number 3 and complete the circle from line number 3 to line number 2 and complete another circle from line number 2 to line number 1. All right, we'll follow the direction of the pencil as we can see in the picture. I'm sure you can do it. It's an easy one. Great job, boys and girls. Let's move on to our next number. Look at the balls and try to count them aloud. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We have 9 balls. Let's say it aloud. 9. 9. 9. Great job, boys and girls. Let's repeat it one more time. 9. 9. 9. Excellent job, boys and girls. How many balls are there? That's right. There are 9 balls. 9 balls. Well done. Now let's learn how to write number 9. Again, don't forget that we have 4 lines in our notebooks. Take your pencils and try to follow the pencil in the picture. Try to follow the directions to write number 9. We'll start with a curved line from line number 1 and make a circle and take it back from line number 2 to line number 1 and draw a straight line to line number 3. Again, boys and girls, look at the picture and follow the direction. We start with a half a circle from line number 1 to line number 2, and we'll complete the circle and take it back to line number 1 and draw a straight line from line number 1 to line number 3. That's right. Can you write it in your notebooks? Follow the direction in the picture. That's right. Great job, boys and girls. All right. Let's move on to our next number. Next we have number 10. 10. 10. Repeat after me. 10. 10. 10. Great job. Now let's count the balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That's right. We have 10 balls. Again, how many balls do we have? We have 10 balls. Again, how many balls are there? There are 10 balls. Great job, boys and girls. Now let's learn how to write number 10. Remember, boys and girls, we have 4 lines, and don't forget, number 10 has 2 numbers. It has number 1 and 0. So, to start writing number 10, we need to start from line number 1 and draw a straight line to line number 3. Excellent, boys and girls. And to write 0, we'll start a circle from line number 1 down, down, down to line number 3 and complete the circle back to line number 1. Great job, boys and girls. This one was an easy one. Can you follow the direction again and write number 10? Write number 1 and next to it, number 0. Great job, boys and girls. All right, now it's time to practice. Let's count together. How many apples are there? Look, let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So, how many apples are there? That's right. There are 10 apples. There are 10 apples. Great job, boys and girls. What about the next one? How many apples are there? Take a minute, count and tell me how many apples are there. All right, let's check your answer and count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. That's right. There are 9 apples. Well done, boys and girls. What about this picture? How many apples are there? Again, count and tell me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. That's right. There are 7 apples. Again, how many apples are there? Can you say it with me? How many apples are there? Again, how many apples are there? Great job. Now let's answer. There are 7 apples. There are 7 apples. Well done, boys and girls. Now let's count this picture. Let's count how many apples are there in this picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That's right. There are 6 apples. Again, let's ask the question together. How many apples are there? How many apples are there? Say it with me. How many apples are there? Well done. Now let's answer. There are 6 apples. There are 6 apples. Great job, boys and girls. Can you answer this? Look at the picture, count, and try to answer. Can you answer this? Yes, I can. Of course I can. So, let's count together and try to answer. Take a minute, count, and tell me your answers. Let's count together and check your answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we have 8 plus 1 equals, that's right, equals 9. 8 apples plus 1 apple equals 9. The answer is 9. Great job, boys and girls. Excellent. When someone says excellent, what should you say? That's right. We should say thank you. So the answer is 8 plus 1 equals 9. We have 9 apples. Excellent, boys and girls. What should you say? Great job. We should say thank you. All right, boys and girls, you've done a great job. Now I want you to look at the pictures and match them with the correct numbers. We have some bananas and some apples. And we have number 7, number 10, and number 6. Count the bananas and match them with the correct number, and count the apples and match them with the correct number. I'll give you a minute and we'll count and match together. Let's count the bananas. 1, 2, 3 bananas, 4, 5, 6 bananas. And let's count the apples. 1, 2, 3, 4 apples, 5, 6, and 7 apples. Take a minute and match them correctly. Let's check your answers. That's right. We'll match 6 bananas with number 6. And we'll match 7 apples with number 7. That's correct. Great job you've done, boys and girls. Let's see the answer together. 6 bananas and 7 apples. Well done. Now I want you to circle the odd one out. There is one number or letter which is different. I want you to circle it out. We have letter L, capital L. We have letter T, capital T. We have number 6. And we have the letter N, capital N. Which one is the odd one? Circle it out. That's right. The answer is number 6 because L, T, and N are letters and 6 is a number. Great job, boys and girls. What about this exercise? I want you to write the missing numbers. Look, read the numbers and write the missing numbers. We have number 6. What should come next? Then we have number 8. And what should come next? Take a minute and try to answer. All right, boys and girls, let's check your answers. That's right. After 6 comes number 7. What about number 8? What comes after number 8? Great job. Number 9 comes after number 8. So the answer is 6, 7, 8, and 9. Great job, boys and girls. That's all with the practice. Now let's move on to your homework. You have a homework on your pupils book, page 36. I want you to count and match. I will do the first one with you. We will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 boys and match it with number 8. Do the rest by your own. We'll check it on the next episode. And you have another homework on your pupils book, page 36. Complete the missing numbers, as we did in this episode earlier. Complete the missing numbers. We have number 7 and number 10. Write what comes before number 7 and what comes after number 7 and before number 10. Here is the first one done for you. Number 6 comes before number 7. You can do the rest by your own. All right, boys and girls, we've reached to the end of this episode. In this episode, we learned how to write numbers from 6 to 10 and ask and answer questions about numbers. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode with us. I'll see you on the next episode. Goodbye for now.